So we got our paper, we got our pencil, just a HB cheap pencil. And this time there's different variants, so I'm going to go through just a few of them. So first off, draw your square or squarish shape. Doesn't have to be perfect. Keep a nice light pencil, not too hard. Then from this top corner you can do a circle and just give it light shading, and then another circle with light shading. From the top corner, make a swoosh, a little bit on the end, and then you're going to bring that all the way back to this corner, and then for a change you're going to come in this direction. Do a little knobbly bit and go back up here, and then just bring that flat. I know it's a bit of a weird shape, but that swooshing shape is the important bit. Now, this case, you've got to put in lots of teeth. That's your teeth. And then from aligning with this circle, coming straight down, you're going to do a kind of curve, but not quite a curve. And then swing back and in. And then a little knobbly bit on the end. And that is one type of duckbill head. So then you can add in your eye, work out where your nose would be, work out where your bill would be, and your teeth. And where your neck will be. Every animal will be different, so I'll try and show you a different one, but they're roughly all the same. It's just the horns that are a little bit different. So starting that angle, there's my box. I'm doing my eye. This time I'm doing a slightly longer shape over there. Now from up here I'm going to go up a little bit. I'm going to do a swoosh, and that's going to come all the way down. And do a little triangle here, and then flip it back over here. Another little triangle here. I'm not quite strong with that curve, but I'm still just going to curve it along all the way back here. Looks a bit weird, I know. And again, just adding a little bit of detail. So this is your lower jaw, your upper jaw. And what I want to do is from this point, so where that edge of the original box is, just going to bring that around there. Coming back up to this long bit, adding the horn on the end, and just bringing it there. Doesn't look like much, I admit. But once you start adding in that little bit of detail, the eye, start putting a bit more detail on here. And I believe in most cases these horns were actually hollow. These animals did have quite big skulls. And because they ate lots of veggies, because they were good dinosaurs, they would have had quite big cheekbones for chewing. And I'm just adding on my little bill there. And I believe the nose is up here. Don't quote me, but this gives you a rough idea. And an ear. These ones have got a bit of a weirder skull shape. I'm not the best at drawing these, but by practice you get a bit further. So here's another one. So you've got your square, your circle, and in this case we're going to do a swoosh. It's just going to come down and there, go up a little bit, and then straight along all the way over here. and that swoosh. You can take and you can change the head crest designs. But I'm going to bring this one back here, and I'm going to have a little bit sticking out there. There are tons of different head crests with hadrosaurs, duck-billed dinosaurs, that sort of thing. So it's always worth having a really, really good look. If you're lacking inspiration on what to draw, have a little look and see what's available, because you'll be surprised. It's not all about the sweeping back horns. There are loads of different types. Again, just tighten up my detail. There we go, there's another one. So by just using those basic shapes, you build up the design and you can change it as you're going. You can extend, you can shorten, you can do all sorts. So the last one I'll do is, let's see, I know. Let's do this funky one. So there's my square, the eye, the ear, and then for the bottom bit, just going to bring it up and under. Some teeth in there. And there we go. So there you go. That is a really, really easy, simple, basic way to draw a duck-billed dinosaur head. And like I say, go do some research. Have a look at what you can find, what shapes are available. And you'll find new dinosaurs are being found all the time. And not all of them do have those big crests. Some of them literally just have a funny little nose. And once you get comfortable with drawing them, you'll find it really nice, simple and easy, and you won't need to maybe do the box. You can just go from it straight away. And the nice thing is, if you keep a nice light pencil and you make a mistake, you can just easily rub it out and try again. And sometimes the drawings that look terrible actually end up to be our best drawings. There you go. So I hope that's given you some ideas and some inspiration to have a go and try. It's always fun, it's always worth it. As I say, it doesn't matter if it's perfect, doesn't matter if it's not perfect. As long as you enjoy, have fun and get creating, that's the most important thing. So yeah, have a go at drawing duck-billed dinosaurs. A quick and easy way. So till next time, all the best everyone, and happy drawing to you all.